everyone. In today's video, we're going to be discussing email marketing for beginners. And for those that don't know, my name is Wray. I am on vacation in Jamaica, so my background may look a little different than normal, but I want to give you guys an easy way to start earning $5 per email that you send out to your list. And I've been generating emails since 2016. I have built a huge list of subscribers, and what I do is I send them information for different programs that I'm currently involved in, and I make money from those leads, okay? So the main thing with email marketing is that you want to build your list, you want it to be consistent, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to get started with email marketing, okay? So what we're going to do is go to my screen, where I'm going to give you a little bit of information about what it is that I do, how much I've earned with some of the emails that I send out, and how you can actually follow this step by step, extremely beginner friendly, and start earning daily from the emails that are provided to you by sending out emails pertaining to any business opportunity that you're involved in, and doing this consistently, building a rapport with your contacts, your leads, and not only that, scaling this up as big as you want, okay? This is not a get rich quick. It's not going to allow you to leave your job within, like tomorrow, but it is something that if you are diligently doing on a consistent basis, you will see results. They will be consistent, and it will help you to earn a full-time income. So let's go ahead and head over. Okay, so here we are with My Legion Secret, and this is one of the ways that I send information over to my email list on a daily basis, and it's allowing me to bring in money on a daily basis. Now, it didn't start out that way, and it wasn't a lie. I've been in this program now for a little bit over 4.5 months, and it was very slow in the beginning, but it started to pick up over time. And again, this is one of those things that it's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to give you immediate success, but I can definitely guarantee if you are consistently pumping traffic to your business or to My Legion Secret directly, you can do so. And with My Legion Secret, you're going to be able to get unlimited $5 commissions paid out to you. It's a residual, which I love. Residual means something that you do once and you get paid for it over and over and over again. And not only that, they also give you one-time payments for bonuses for every 5 people that you bring into the program. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to my affiliates tab, where I can find out on a daily basis how much I'm earning. And again, guys, it wasn't like this in the beginning, but with consistency, you will see results, okay? And with this program, I'm going to share with you the bonuses that you're going to receive. So please stay till the end of this video so you can see the bonuses that's going to help speed up your results. Not only that, provide you with the different opportunities that you can promote to this list. So here, looking at what I've earned so far, we're going to just go off of the last few days. On the 4th, which is today, and Happy New Year's to everyone that's out there. I bought in a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 payments just from today alone. And these are $5, $4, and $3 payouts, but they actually add up over time. Can you imagine in one day getting paid all of these different small payout amounts that start to add up and accumulate over time? It can start turning into a full-time income for a lot of people. So here on the 3rd, I had a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 payments. On the 2nd, we're looking at a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 payments again. And if we scroll down to what I've earned so far, I have $3,670 that was paid out, $714 that's owed to me that I can go ahead and get paid either through PayPal, Bitcoin, or check by mail. And what I want to tell you guys is the fact that it may not be a lot for some, but this is really a part-time gig. This is something that's literally taking me 20 to 30 minutes a day to do. That's going to average ongoing payouts. So if you have 30 minutes in your day to send out the emails that's provided to you and include your link, you will start to earn with this program. Here they have the master email swipes that the company gives to you. These are considered high converting emails that you can actually start using. Here is the mailing system, okay? So what I love about this as well is you accumulate 100 leads per day, 100 emails per day that you can email, and you can email these people every 24 hours. And on top of that, you can also save your emails. So when you send out an email, it's saved in your back office so that you can upload it and use it over and over and over again. So what I've been doing basically is really focusing on building up as many emails within my back office to see which ones are converting the best, and then reusing the ones that are giving me the best results. And in the training, you're going to learn exactly how to do that. So what you're going to do is here under the subject is where you're going to put your title that you want people to see before they get to your email. And then you're going to come down here and you're going to add your email, which you're going to be giving. It's a copy and paste. You can edit the email, and then again, you would add your link right here in this area here. Once you have one person that joins the opportunity, you're going to start to accumulate 200 emails per day. So 200 leads per day compared to the 100 you're going to get if you don't refer anyone. So just by referring one person, you're going to be able to double your leads and start sending out your information to 200 leads on a daily basis. So this is, again, email marketing, easy for beginners, something easy to start off with, something that you can build up over time and actually turn into a full-time income. The only thing that you have to be willing to do is to be consistent and not expect to see results right at the beginning. What I'm going to do is head over to bonuses that you're going to receive. This is the link that links you directly to my funnel, where you can get more information about My Legion Secret and the bonuses that are available to you. I have a quick video here showing my results. And then if you scroll down, you're going to see all of the bonuses that's available. So I'll show you the offers to promote, the emails that I use that convert, the strategies to make sales daily, and you will get additional emails and a Facebook group where there's a ton of proof of other people who are getting results utilizing the My Legion Secret. And that group is on Facebook, and it's going to be available to you when you decide to purchase with my link. So in the description below, you will get the link. In any way, if you would need to reach out to me, my email and phone number is also available. If you can please subscribe to my channel, you'll also get other videos where I show people how to earn a full-time income from home, utilizing online and offline strategies that I use. Again, I've been doing this since 2016, and it has helped me to earn a full-time income and leave my job and live the life that I have always dreamed of, okay? If I can do this, anybody can do this. I'm looking to inspire people to start a home-based business opportunity like I did for myself and my family. And if I can do it, you can do it. So thanks so much for tuning into this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great night.